Never search for an outlet again with the SS7619-15 power strip. This 72-inch strip provides 24 surge-protected outlets and includes an extra-long 15-foot cord to power equipment in areas without built-in outlets. Reliable construction, uncomplicated operation, and flexible mounting options make the SS7619-15 ideal for building low-maintenance installations in retail stores and other commercial settings. The power strip has a metal housing and industrial-strength components built for years of trouble-free service under demanding conditions. It's backed by a lifetime product warranty. Built-in surge suppression protects connected equipment against damaging surges, spikes, and line noise. If you need a simple, cost-effective power strip that's reliable enough for commercial installation and includes surge suppression, order TRIPP LITE's SS7619-15.